The DJI Pocket 4 has just been caught on camera in the real world, and we finally know what it looks like. This is not a render, not a concept, this is the actual device in someone's hand right now. So here is what happened. A customer walked into an official DJI authorized store called Drones Kaki, located at Bukit Bintang in Fahrenheit 88 Mall in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and they had the DJI Pocket 4 with them. The store staff was so excited that they pulled out their phone, filmed a 33-second Instagram reel, and posted it to their official account on February 15, 2026. And just like that, the internet went crazy. Now let's talk about what we can actually see in this footage. The design is very familiar. It carries the same compact gimbal form factor that made the Pocket 3 so popular, but there are some clear upgrades. The most exciting one, a built-in LED light on the front of the camera. This is a brand new feature for the Pocket series, and it means you can shoot in low light situations without carrying an extra light accessory. For vloggers and travel creators, that is a massive deal. The screen appears to be a 2-inch rotatable OLED display, and you can see the physical joystick and quick access buttons are still there, which is great news for anyone who hated on-screen touch controls. The gimbal stabilization also looks incredibly smooth in the footage, even as the customer is moving around inside the store. Now let's get into the leaked specs because this is where it gets really interesting. According to leaked retail listings and FCC filings, the Pocket 4 is expected to come with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, same as the Pocket 3 but reportedly enhanced. Video recording is said to go up to 4K at 120 frames per second, and there are even rumors of 6K at 30 frames per second on the standard model. The battery has also been bumped up from 1300 mAh on the Pocket 3 to 1545 mAh on the Pocket 4, which could give you over 200 minutes of shooting time. That is a significant improvement. On the connectivity side, leaks suggest Wi-Fi 6 support, which is a step up from the Wi-Fi 5 on the Pocket 3. And the weight is said to stay right around 179 grams, so the portability that made this series famous is not going anywhere. As for the price, the standard version is expected to come in somewhere between $549 and $699. A creator combo with extra batteries and accessories is also rumored, coming in around $699 to $749. A pro version with dual cameras is also being talked about, but that one is expected to come later. Now, when can you actually buy it? According to warehouse stock sightings and retailer reports, the DJI Pocket 4 release date is expected to fall somewhere between late February and March 2026. So we are talking weeks, not months. If you are in Malaysia, Drones Kaki already seems to have units available before the official launch. Globally, expected to hit the DJI Store, Amazon, and major retailers by the first quarter of 2026. So should you upgrade from the Pocket 3? If you bought your Pocket 3 recently, you can probably hold on. But if you are coming from an older device or buying for the first time, the Pocket 4 looks like the best compact gimbal camera of 2026. Better battery, better low light, better frame rates, and now a built-in light that no previous pocket camera has ever had. DJI has not said a word officially yet, but the camera is already out there in the real world. Things are moving fast. If you want to know what happens next before it hits the mainstream, subscribing is probably a good idea. See you in the next one.